Crypto research, where do I start? Welcome to another episode of Our HODL Journey. I'm your host, Cassian Nuñez, and this is a space where we provide you with crypto knowledge and information through experience and research. On today's episode, we will be covering where to start your research of different coins that you might be interested in acquiring and where to go for the latest updates on the crypto market. All right, let's look at it.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to CoinMarketCap.com, and then once that comes up, you're going to see a homepage with a list of coins by market cap. So as you can see, Bitcoin is number one because its market cap is the largest, followed by Ethereum, then Binance Coin, so on and so forth. I really don't use the homepage for too much. Most people will come on to CoinMarketCap.com and look at the analysis for the last 7 days, and is the coin trending up or down. A majority of the market right now is trending down, but there are a few coins that are trending up, or at least steady state. So you can get a quick glance of that by looking at CoinMarketCap's homepage. Usually, when you're doing research, you already have some idea of what coin that you want to read up on. So in order to do that, most people are looking at Dogecoin right now. You're going to scroll down until you find the coin, or you can go up to the search bar and click on or type in Dogecoin, and it'll pull it up for you. But since it's the number 6 coin by market cap, it's easy to find. We'll go ahead and click on the name, and then this page comes up. On this page, this is your home row right here. All right. So the first thing that you're going to see is an overview of the coin, the entire lifespan of the coin. And then you can change the filter to check on its performance for a year, 3 months, a month, 7 days, or just in the last 24 hours. And you can kind of figure out what's going on with the coin that way. What I like to do is go straight to news, where you can see who's talking about the coin, what's the latest and greatest on the project. The developer usually will put out some information on why they created the coin and what the rest of us can expect in the future based on what they're currently working on. And you're going to find all that information right in here. This is where I get a majority of it. I'll click on an article and I'll start to read. And based on the information that I'm reading, I'll make a decision on whether or not I think this coin belongs in my portfolio. So, just reading here, there are a lot of quotes from some pretty big influencers. There's some analysis from people who follow cryptocurrency very closely. There's all kinds of awesome information in the news section of CoinMarketCap. Next, I would look at the market, and I would confirm if it's a brand new coin, especially, I would confirm that CoinMarketCap has rated the confidence in the volume of the coin as high. What does that mean? There are several different exchanges that you can purchase cryptocurrencies from. So you can open up a Bittrex account or a Mercatox account or a Binance account or a Coinbase account. And these brokerages or exchanges are similar to like a Vanguard or a Charles Schwab or a Fidelity or a Merrill Lynch account for the traditional stock market. These are the exchanges for crypto. And basically what CoinMarketCap does is, through an algorithm, they make sure that the price for a particular coin isn't different on these various exchanges, and that the volume is being adequately measured on each one of these exchanges. What has happened in the past is some of the exchanges have intentionally manipulated the volume and the price of a coin. So you could theoretically go purchase Bitcoin for, $10,000 on Coinbase, but you can only get it for $11,000 on Binance in that same moment in time. So CoinMarketCap does a really good job in ensuring that stuff like that doesn't take place. and they rate the confidence right here. So if you're dealing with some really, really new coin, maybe the market cap for it is very, very low, and it's the top 150 coins, but definitely not in the top 10 or top 20. You want to come here to the home row of that coin, click on market, and then confirm that the confidence is high. For those of you who are concerned about people hacking your account, your exchange, if you purchase your coins on Binance or on Mercatox or on Coinbase or one of these other exchanges, and we'll have an episode covering the different exchanges next week. But if you're concerned about someone getting your username and password and hacking your exchange or your account, then you can actually move all of your cryptocurrencies to a wallet. And CoinMarketCap does a really good job showing you multiple options for storing your cryptocurrencies off of the net. So you can purchase one of these wallets and move the information from the internet onto like a USB drive or something like that. So again, this is only for people who are really concerned about theft. For most of us, leaving the coin in our exchange account is going to be just fine. And the security, the two-factor authentication, and all the other things that a majority of the exchanges are enacting is more than sufficient to keep your accounts secure. Okay, so these are just some starting points for those of you who are looking at purchasing a coin. You're trying to find the next Doge coin, so it's not going to be in the top 20 market cap, right? The next Doge coin is probably down here in no man's land. Maybe it's in the top 100, maybe it's in the top 500. And so as you're hearing other people talk about coins and what the next coin might be, definitely you want to come to CoinMarketCap.com, type that coin in or find it in the list, and go to the home row, look at all the news that's been generated about that coin, make sure that the confidence level is high, that people aren't engaged in nefarious activities, different exchanges aren't, and maybe consider moving some of your coins to a wallet. I hope that this information has been helpful. I look forward to seeing all of you in next week's installment of Our HODL Journey. And until next time.